Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please take some seconds and hit that subscribe button down below so you can join the family, okay? And thank you as you do so. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making cloves oil that can triple your hair growth. It can help you cure alopecia. So this video is very important if you're having hair issue. Keep watching, okay? This video is really for you if you're having hair growth issues, okay? So I'll be using cloves. I'll be using about 3 tablespoons of cloves. I will add 3 tablespoons of cloves into my blender. Then I will go ahead and blend it. Yeah, there are a lot of hair benefits of cloves, guys. Cloves promotes hair growth and adds shine to the hair. It helps treat dandruff and prevents premature growing of hair. Cloves also helps to stop hair loss, cleans and soothes the scalp. Cloves can help it can help triple your hair growth. That's why I said if you're having hair growth issues that this video is really good for you, okay? So please keep on watching. So now after adding the cloves into the blender, I'll go ahead and blend it until smooth. The reason why I'm blending it is so as to make sure that all the nutrients from the cloves are out. That's why I decided to blend it. Yes. So guys, that's it. After blending it, the next thing I will do is that I'll go ahead and get a pot or a saucepan or a bowl, whichever one you feel like is suitable for you. But here I'll be using a pot. I'll go ahead and add it into this pot. So now I'm done doing that. The next thing I have to introduce to you guys that we'll be using for this hair oil treatment is aloe vera, guys. Yeah, we are going to be using aloe vera for this hair treatment also. Don't mind my aloe vera, it's because I brought it out from the freezer, so it's a kind of blocked. Yes guys. So I'll cut off this part, then I'll go ahead and take the amount I will be using for this treatment. So once that is done, I will go ahead and cut off this edge. I won't be peeling off the skin of the aloe vera because my skin is not sensitive to aloe vera skin. If you're sensitive to aloe vera skin, then do well to peel off the green part of it, okay? So now I'll go ahead and cut it into small pieces. There are a lot of hair benefits of aloe vera also, guys. Yeah, so after cutting it first, I will add it into the blender and blend it until smooth. You might be wondering why didn't I blend it with the cloves. It's because cloves are dry ingredients, so I feel like blending them together it won't blend well. So that's why I blended cloves separately, then I'll be blending aloe vera separately, okay guys? Yeah, so I'll go ahead and add it into the blender, then I'll proceed with blending it. So guys, like I said, there are a lot of hair benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is very useful when it comes to hair treatment. There are a lot of hair benefits of aloe vera. It helps soothe the scalp and add moisture to the hair. Aloe vera can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. It contains active ingredients and minerals like fatty acid and amino acids, and is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin E, which play a very important role in giving you a healthy hair. Yes, that's why we are using aloe vera for this hair growth oil. So after blending it, now I'll go ahead and add it into the same pot. Yeah, so the last ingredient I'll be adding to this hair growth oil treatment is onion. Onion is very good when it comes to growing a healthy hair, guys. So now I'll go ahead and peel off the skin of the onion. Then after that, I will cut it also. I will blend it, then pour it into the pot. You can choose not to blend it. You can choose to cut it into small pieces. Yeah, but I don't know why I'm satisfied when I blend my my ingredients. Yes, I'm always satisfied when I blend them because I feel like all the ingredients will be out. Yeah. So, but you can choose to cut yours into small pieces, okay? So that's it, guys. I'll go ahead and cut the onion and add it into the blender. Then I'll blend it until smooth. So now that I've added the blended onion into the pot, the next thing I'll be adding is sweet almond oil. This oil is the only oil I'll be using to make this hair growth oil. You can choose to add any oil of your choice. You can choose to add extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil. You can choose to add sunflower oil. Any oil you feel like is very good and suitable to your scalp, you are free to use that, okay? But for this one, I'll be using only this oil. I will add as much as I will be needing. Then after that, I will give it a mix. Then after mixing it, we'll proceed to the next stage, which is double boiling it. Yes, we'll proceed to the next stage, guys, and make sure you add oil very well, okay? Be generous when adding your oil. Don't be stingy, okay, guys? Don't be stingy when you're adding oil, okay? Be generous with it. So that's it, guys. Now we'll move over to the next stage. So here I have water boiling already. So now I'll go ahead and place this pot into the saucepan containing the water. Then I'll keep on stirring it. I'll keep on stirring it. I'll keep on stirring it. Then once I'm done stirring it, the next thing I have to do is I'll go ahead and use the pot cover to cover it because I don't want the steam coming out from the boiling pot to enter into my hair growth oil. Yeah. I don't want that, so I went ahead and I cover it. So I will continue to stir it frequently, like within 5 minutes or 10 minutes I'll be checking on it, okay? So guys, that's it. So now it's time for me to check it again. I will go ahead and give it a mix again to see how it's going. I will know that the oil is ready once the blended items in the oil started to separate, started to separate from each other. That's when I will know that the oil is ready. So I'll give it a mix and I'll also cover it again. So now I'm back again to check it if it's ready. As you can see, the oil is even boiling. So I will mix it now. Then after mixing it, I will also cover it again. So guys, let's check on it again. As you all can see, the oil is getting ready, guys. It's getting ready. So it's ready. Let's take it off the cooker. Then we'll proceed to the next stage. So here I am with the oil. The next thing I'm going to be doing here is that I will mix it. Then after mixing it, guys, I will go ahead and get a cup, a bowl, or anything. Is it that you use a bowl? Just make sure that whatever you're using is very clean, okay? Here I have my cup. I'll place this sieve on top of the cup. Then I'll go ahead and pour in the oil into the sieve. Then I'll allow the oil to drip out on its own. I'm not going to press it. I'm not going to apply any form of force to it. I will just pour in everything into the sieve. Then I will let the oil drip out on its own. Yeah. So guys, now it's time for me to remove the chaff. I will take away the chaff. Then I will now have my oil with me, guys. This is the oil I have. This is what I collected, guys. Did you see? So the next thing I have to do is I'll go ahead and transfer the oil into my storing jar. So guys, this is it. I'm done doing that, and my hair growth oil is ready. My cloves hair growth oil is ready, guys. This is what it looks like. This oil is very, very effective. I'll go ahead and show you guys how I use this oil on my hair. So guys, I will now go ahead and show you guys how I apply this oil on my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is made, so it doesn't matter if your hair is made or not. Okay, so this is the oil. I'll go ahead and oh my god, I'll go ahead and take some with this. If you have applicator bottle, you can use applicator bottle. Okay, my applicator bottle, I have something in it, so that's why I'm using this one to apply this oil. So I'll go ahead and apply it on my hair. So as I apply it, I massage it to make sure that it penetrates very well into my scalp. So guys, that is it. That is it, guys. And you can do this twice in a day. Yes, this oil is not something that you can do once in a week. In fact, it's an everyday hair oil treatment. Okay, you can always apply it on your hair anytime. So once you finish applying it, you massage your scalp very well so that everything penetrates. So guys, that is it. I'm done applying it to my hair. You don't get to wash it off. You leave it there, okay? And it will do its work. Okay, so please, if you've watched to this point, kindly give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for always clicking in. Bye.